In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add altcoins to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can manage your altcoins using Trezor. So when you have your Trezor connected to your PC, usually with a USB cable, you can open Trezor Suite, which is their dedicated software, and inside you will be able to manage your accounts. So you will have default accounts at the left, and you can add accounts for different assets or different coins. To do this, click the plus sign and you will see this list of all the coins that you can add. So you will have the main ones that you activated at the top, some that you haven't activated yet in the middle, so like stuff like Litecoin, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, XRP, and at the bottom you will have testnet coins. You can also locate Ethereum accounts and other options. Now, all that you have to do to add specific coins is to know whether or not they are supported by Trezor. The best way to go about doing this is to visit the official Trezor website because it is constantly updated, and on Trezor.io, go to coins. Now you will see all of the assets here, and you will see the main options. So you can send and receive these assets, and depending on the asset that you select, you will be able to buy, sell, swap, or stake. So some of them you can only buy and sell, others you will be able to buy, sell, swap, and stake. So make sure to visit this page and double check. Some of them you can manage inside of Trezor Suite, while others you will need third-party wallets. So all that you have to do is look for a specific one, and if it appears on the list, you know that you can use it. So for example, XLM requires third-party wallets and so on. For altcoins, this might be a little bit more limited. However, you will still be able to get this done. So just visit the website, confirm that a particular altcoin that you would like to transfer is available, and if you know that it is, you can add the particular account to house it. If you are transferring ERC20 tokens, you just have to create an Ethereum account, swap over to the tokens page, and in here you can add new ones by clicking the three dots and add token. Then you can use the standard receive function on any account that you create inside of your Trezor. I hope I was able to help you on how to add altcoins to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.